Hey y'all, it's Mr. Smith again. So in this video we're dealing with formula substitution. So in this problem we have a picture of a kite. They tell us the area. They explain what diagonal 1 is. So diagonal 1 is from here to here, and diagonal 2 is from here to here. And they go ahead and give us the formula. Um, so we already know diagonal 1 is 6, but we don't know diagonal 2. And we want to find what is the difference of the diagonals. So we want to find out what is the difference. So we need to do what? Subtract. So difference is going to be subtract. But before we do that, we have to know what D2 is. So we're going to use this formula to help us figure out what D2 is. So in this formula, we already know the area of the kite is 63. And we know D1 is 6, but we don't know D2. And as long as you have one unknown, you can always solve the equation. So 1/2 times 6 is 3. And then to find D2, we just divide both sides by 3. So we get 21. If you're unsure how I did that, if you want to do the longhand division, just put 3 on the outside. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 0. Bring down the 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. You get your 21. Because 1 times 3, subtract, you get your 0. So we know D2 is 21. So now we can find the difference of the diagonals, right? Because that's what the actual question is asking. What is the difference of the diagonals? So we can subtract 21 minus 6. When we subtract 21 minus 6, we get 15. So our answer would be 15. So let's do one more. For this one, we're probably going to need a calculator. So I'm going to pull up and set up my little calculator for us. So put this right here on the side. I think y'all can see that right there. I think that's good. So in this one, we're trying to find the approximate diameter. And remember, diameter is 2 times the radius. So we can find the radius, then we can find the diameter. So the volume of the sphere, we have 268 is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So the first I'm going to get rid of is this 4/3. So to get rid of the 4/3, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3/4. So on this side, the 3 and 3 cancel, and the 4 and the 4 cancel. So all I'm left with is pi r cubed. So I'm going to put in a fraction. I can hit alpha, y equals, and then enter. It's a little blurry. Let me see if I can fix that right quick. There, now you can see it a little better. And I'm going to put my 3/4. I'm going to multiply times 268. And then press enter. And we get 201. So I'm going to put 201 here. I want to get rid of pi. So I'm going to divide by pi. And remember, to get the pi key, you can hit the second and then the caret. And that's above the division symbol. So I'm going to go and hit it. So second. Oh, let me put in my 201 first. So 201 divided by second pi. So that way I use the actual pi symbol. And we get 63.98. Because the pi and the pi cancel. And so now I need to take the cubed root of both sides. I'm going to take the cubed root of both sides. So to get the cube root, well, this is going to give me r on this side first. But to get this cube root part, need to hit the math button first. I'm going to hit the math button. And I'm going to go down to number 4. You see how it's the cube root. So I'm going to put the cube root. And I'm going to put my 63.98. Or if you wanted to, I can hit second and then the negative sign. And that will take my answer from the previous and put it automatically there. So whichever one you prefer. So we get 3.9995. So 3.999 is basically just 4 if we round it. So the radius is 4. But that's not our final answer because we need to find the diameter. So remember, to find the diameter, we can use d is equal to 2r. And I'm just going to plug in my 4. And so we know the diameter is 8 inches. And that's my answer. Please be careful of this because a lot of you on the test, you're rushing, trying to go through it quick, and they'll have this as one of your answer choices 4. And it'll be kind of messed up for you to do all this work and you just forget to multiply it by 2 to find the diameter. So really be careful. I really hope this video helped. Thank you for your time. Mr. Smith signing out.